Morning, everybody. Sorry again that I've been a bit behind. I'm catching up. I'm starting to catch up. So I have posted information about the book project. So you will find it in this folder here. A couple of really important things. If you have not completed this survey yet, you can't see the discussion area for the book project. So you need to complete this survey. You should already have submitted your book choice. And then just answer true or false. This is not graded. I just want to get an idea if some of you have started. So let's say you haven't. Again, not graded. And now, when you go back to this area, you should see this book discussion. And this is really the most important part. This is where a lot of the work is. You will still be able to see that book outline, so you can see what you need to do. But in order to start working on this discussion area, which technically doesn't really start until November, but for some of you that have already started reading, if you want to start posting, you need to do 4 postings and replies about your book. So the earlier you get that in, the earlier your classmates can start to discuss the book that you're reading and help you plan your project. You can put ideas here, ask for help, and so that we can all just share a little bit about what we're reading for the class. So really for this week, again, you should have that book choice done. You should submit the survey and then start looking at the guidelines in this book discussion. Really, again, at this point, you should be reading. You can be doing annotations to help you with this discussion and your project. I've also included the full project outline. So let's just take a look at that. So again, here's your book choice. That was worth 5 points. So again, make sure you do that. Do the survey so you can start the book discussion. So you should be taking notes. Use those notes to start talking about your book. Tell us a little bit about it, what you're thinking for the project. And again, this is if you're working ahead. Most of this is going to be due in November. I think you should be halfway through your book by the midterm. So again, just to help with pacing. And the outline for your project, which is due in December, is right here. So take a look at these. We'll be talking more about it. I've given you some project ideas. I'm open to sort of alternative projects. If you want to do a straight paper and post it in the discussion area, that's great. If you want to do something a little bit more creative, if that's something you really like, that's also welcome. You'll need to still do a short write-up summary of your book, but just take a look at some of these ideas, okay? I will be getting to the grading. Again, I'm a little bit behind, and I'm getting into the discussions. So we are now in Mod 3. Everything should be open. Keep in mind those study plans are due on Monday the 30th, and the discussion is open. So I look forward to hearing from all of you, and I will be busy grading this weekend. Have a good one.